Front-load washing machine. Transit bolts removal. Purpose: to remove transit bolts before machine installation. Unpack the washing machine. Remove all the packaging and wrapping material. Take out all the accessories from inside the drum. Do not use washing machine without removing the transit bolts. Doing so will cause permanent damage to the washing machine. Unscrew the transit bolts located on the back side of the machine. Place plastic caps provided in the user manual bag on the transit bolts slots. Level adjustment. Purpose: to prevent noise, vibration during operation. Check the floor. It should be flat surface and should not be slippery. Adjust the leg by unscrew. Lock the chuck nut with cabinet properly. Check the washing machine level with water leveler. Check the level again if required. On, off. Purpose: first time use. To switch on the washing machine, turn the jog dial towards cotton setting. Default temperature setting is 40 degrees Celsius and default spin speed is 1000 RPM. Default program time is displayed. To start the washing machine, open the tab and press the Start button. Wash cycle settings. Purpose: wash cycle setting. To switch on the washing machine, turn the jog dial towards cotton setting. Temperature can be set manually between 20 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. Spin speed can be set between 400 RPM to 1000 RPM. Spin button can be used to select rinse hold and spin off functions also. For heavy soiled laundry like bed sheets, school uniform, etc., we can also add pre-wash and heavy wash function. For removing pet hair and fur, select Pet Hair Removal function. To start the washing machine, press the Start button.